Welcome to Grandma Kathysartventure. Today we'll be doing what I call a doodle bloom. So let's go. We'll be using Teexpert Epoxy Crystal Clear. I've been practicing with this. This is 4 ounces. I'm used to using the fast cure, and I don't have any right now, so I'm going to pour some in both of these cups. I let this sit. I mixed it for 5 minutes and I let it sit for about 20 minutes. And so here we go. I'm just going to pour this into the mold, and I make some funny mistakes. But it's okay. We just never give up and keep on going. Alright, the first thing we're using is this purple pigment paste by Resin. So I just put a couple of drops in there, and as you can see what my little drops were. I honestly really wish I would have used a little more now, but that's neither here nor there. And then there's my big first funny. I stuck that cup right in the resin. I don't know what I was thinking. And I don't even realize it right now until I'm mixing up my white. And then that's when I realize. So now I'm going to put a nice little blob of white in there and mix that up. And when I'm mixing the white is when I actually realized that I had stuck that cup right down into the resin, but it's okay, it'll work out just fine. So let's put that white into a piping bag, and then we're going to hit it with a heat gun. We're going to let those sit in the piping bag for about 5 minutes, and then we'll start doodling. So here we go, and we're just going to doodle away. We're going to doodle with some white, doodle with some purple, and I'm just going to keep doodling and doodling. Oh, it's so much fun to play with these though. So now I'm just going to take my stick and make a bunch of lines however I feel fit. I'm just going with the flow, and we'll see what we get. Now we have to leave it sit overnight. And so here we are back the next day. I mixed up 4 ounces and I put 3 drops of the purple pigment dye and 1 drop of the black pigment dye. And then I also put a little bit of this purple glitter. I just sprinkled a little bit on top. Mix that in, and that's going to be my background color. So we'll pour that on, and I will hit this with the heat gun, and then we'll come back and demold it. All right, we are ready to demold this, and we'll see what happened. I like the background I used. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. Oh, check it out. Oh, I like it a lot. Well, that turned out gorgeous. Ooh. So cool. Let's go outside and check it out. It's really cool, and I love the little sparkle that the glitter gives in the background. It's so three-dimensional. It's so pretty. Absolutely love this. This is why I like doodling with the bloom. Because you get some really cool effects in there. The background, it's so pretty. So if you hang with me for a couple minutes, I will show you the end result to my live from last Tuesday. I turned it into a little trinket tray or bowl, a little candy dish, whatever you want to call it. And as you see, I taped it like this, and I'm taking the tape off, and here we go. This was what I made out of my Tuesday lives. My last Tuesday live that I did. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for being here. Thank you to my best friends and the tag team, Tanya and August. And I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.